Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Would you believe me if I tell you that you can become fluent by practicing for just 10 minutes? Too good to be true, right? It's not a gimmick, it's actually true. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you a 10-minute technique. That means you have to use this technique for just 10 minutes a day and you can become a fluent English speaker. This technique has worked for my children. They used to follow this technique for 10 minutes each day, and it has made a tremendous difference. And the best part about this technique is that you don't need a speaking partner because many of us struggle to find a language learning partner. So it's great for those people who don't have a partner. If you do what I tell you in this video, I guarantee you that you will become more fluent, right? So what is this technique? This technique is called JAM, just a minute. This is kind of a fluency game and it's very popular all over the world. Even some interviewers ask people to speak for 1 minute continuously and they give them jam activity. This is called jam session as well. So how do we play this game? This game has three stages. First stage, what do we do in first stage? In first stage, we are required to speak on a topic for 1 minute non-stop. That means we can't stop. You don't get any time to prepare for the topic. You are required to give a speech for 1 minute non-stop without any preparation. My kids used to come and tell me what they spoke for 1 minute because they used to get these topics every single day. So you can take any topic of your choice. The topics could be general, food, hobbies, internet, games, health, fitness, yoga, anything that you like. You could answer some questions also. For example, online versus offline classes, benefits of yoga. What are the benefits of yoga? Social media's advantages and disadvantages. So there are many topics and there are many questions. You can take any topic of your choice. So once you choose the topic, you start speaking and you have to keep speaking for 1 minute. Now, there are three rules for this game. The first rule is you can't stop speaking until 1 minute is reached. You have to speak for one full minute. Even if you speak rubbish and you speak something which is unrelated to the topic, that's okay because sometimes we struggle to find ideas. So it's okay. The second rule is you can't repeat the same ideas. You have to speak new sentences. You can't repeat the same thing over and over again, right? Because that will not make any sense. You will not gain any fluency if you repeat the same sentences. Now, the third rule is you can't make any notes. You can't write anything on a paper or notepad while you're speaking, and you can't make any notes. You have to just concentrate on your speaking. So, those are the rules of stage one. For stage one, you have to start the timer. You will need a timer so that you know when you have completed 1 minute. So, just start the timer and start speaking. Now, I am going to give you a demo. I am going to speak on a topic for one full minute. The topic that I am choosing is advantages of online classes over offline classes. Now, I haven't done any preparation on this topic. I am not going to edit this part, so you will see how I do. I also think that this could be a difficult activity for me, but let's see how it goes. So now I will start the timer and start speaking. So let me start the timer. My topic is advantages of online classes over offline classes. I feel that online classes are better. There are many reasons for it. First thing is that you can have only a few people when you give offline classes. Sometimes we don't have space to accommodate many people, but when we give online classes, many people can join the classes. When we go and attend offline classes, it takes time. We spend some time and money to go there. And we can attend online classes from the comfort of our home without spending any money and time. You can see I'm really struggling for ideas because I haven't done any preparation. So I'm thinking of new ideas, but I can't repeat the same sentences. Coming back to the topic, people who live abroad, like a person who is living in Dubai, can attend classes from an Indian teacher. That is not possible with offline classes. So yeah, you can see 1 minute is completed. Wow. I had no idea that this activity could be so difficult. I really found it difficult. But somehow I completed my 1 minute. So that was stage one. It was quite hard. But, if this exercise had been very easy, it wouldn't have worked for you. It will work on your fluency because it is a little difficult. So now we come to stage two. So your fluency will improve in stage two. In stage two, you have to take a paper and pen. Now think about the speech that you just gave and think about the main points. Now note down the main points. Now I'm thinking about the main points from the speech that I just gave. I think the first point was more people can attend online classes. The second point was we can save time and money, which is spent on commuting. Third point was people living abroad or people living in remote places can also attend classes from a particular speaker, which is not possible through offline classes. So these were three main points. When you note down the main points from stage one, when you speak in stage two, you have this paper in front of you. Now you can speak on each point, right? So you have a guideline now. You can speak more fluently. There are some main points which are there in front of you, and you can just elaborate on those points. In stage two, also, you have to speak for 1 full minute. Using those points, give your speech for 1 minute, and when the timer hits 1 minute, you have to stop. This will build your fluency. Let's move on to stage three. In stage three, you have to take the paper and pen again. Now, let's make some more points based on our speech in stage two. You can add some more points based on your speech in stage two. So we already had some points and we added some more points. Now, in stage three, you set the timer again for 1 minute. You can use your notes while speaking. So this is your final speech. Now I'm giving my final speech here. I have added some points like this. Now, let me speak for 1 full minute again. So here we go. I think online classes are much better than offline classes because hundreds of people can join a class which is online. And with offline classes, only a few people can be accommodated at any given place. In offline classes, we have to go to another place. A lot of time and money gets wasted. So school going students and college going students, if we save on time, we can do self-study. So that time can be utilized in self-study. The third point is people living in different states can join online classes at a particular place. So it's very easy. And, this is not possible with offline classes. Do you think a person living in Chandigarh can attend offline classes which are happening in Mumbai? That is impossible. Because of these three reasons, I feel that online classes are better than offline classes. So yeah, I completed task for stage three. I think that was little over a minute, but that's okay. If you are in the flow, you don't have to stop and you can keep speaking for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. As you gain fluency, you can set your timer for 2 or 3 minutes also. Did you notice one thing? My speech was so much better in stage three than stage one. I have gained more fluency on this topic over the 3 stages. So you don't have to stop at stage three. I have a suggestion for you. If you're really serious about your spoken English fluency, then you can take it to stage 4, 5, 6. I mean, it's endless. You can speak on one topic for at least 5, 6 times. It will build your fluency. Your fluency will improve with each stage. There is one more stage you can go up to, which is record yourself. Maybe in stage 4, you can record yourself. Speak for 1 full minute, set your timer for 1 minute, speak for 1 minute, and record yourself. When you will listen to yourself speaking for 1 minute, you will see how much you have improved. This is a little fluency game and it only takes 10 minutes. If you play this game every single day, at least once a day, I guarantee you that you will definitely become more fluent with more practice. It has made my children so fluent in English. So that is it for today's video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button and remember to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.